Welcome back to Road Trip Masters. If you recall, it's time to finish off this Italian masterpiece with the mayor of Tannersville.
Okay, Mayor, you're up. Time to add some veal to this meal.
Well, you know, when they talk about reduction, we start out with the flavors of the veal, the flavors of the stock that we made, the broth that we made, and then we reduce it to a thick, almost syrupy thing that you want on your palate.
Oh, yeah.
Evaporating the water to create
Very good. Yeah, see, you know a lot about cooking. You said you didn't know. Getting rid of the water because that doesn't add any flavor. It's a scallopini of veal, and we're going to gently dust it in flour. We're going to lay it in the oil to saute. 3 beautiful scallopinis. Starting to get hungry already.
Oh.
We're going to hit it with a little bit of salt. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of freshly ground pepper, some nice freshly sliced mushrooms. And then for the flambe, now you back off a little bit. We're going to add the masala wine.
Oh, the show.
That's the show, I guess, right? That's going to give us real fireworks.
So what's the key, Lee?
Make it with love, find quality ingredients. And in Italian, they say, a tavola non si invecchia, which means you never age at the table. So dining for 3-4 hours, longer the better.
From a culture that has an appreciation for the relaxed way of living.
When you come to Villa Vosilla, it's all about eating, fine wine, conversation, compare notes on life, a little philosophy. Salud. I think you're going to enjoy this.
How about putting a little piece of veal on?
No, you know what the family does? They switch.
All right.
We just go like that.
Yep.
It makes it easier because I want to make sure you get all the reduction and you get all the flavors. We don't want you to be cheated.
Hey,
if I put it on your plate
you
like
know what?
that, it doesn't work.
Thanks for having us.
My pleasure. Ooh, I want to make sure I get this truffle and all of it all at once.
I
I gotta get it all in one
I want
bite.
to make sure I get the
That's
mushroom.
what you're supposed to do.